What is the first thing a tech nerd does when building his new living room? Well, for starters, he buys a new TV and then builds everything else around it. Guys, today I bought five Philips LED TVs. And you know what? I did this for you. So you know which one is best for you. Which one would satisfy your tech nerdy psychology on a budget. Not joking, guys. I bought 5 TVs, but today I will be showing you only 2 of them. In fact, they're exactly the same. Well, almost. The PUS 7303/12, it's the European TV lineup for 2018. And it's fair to say there are some seriously eye-catching examples here. Of course, apart from the top-end OLED TV, Philips is starting out from the 6703 series and moving up to the middle range, the 7303. What you've seen previously is the 50-inch version of this 65-inch monster. I'm not gonna lie to you, you'd better get a taxi right now, because it's not gonna fit in your car. It's got 3-zone Ambilight, VA panel with direct backlighting with great contrast, P5 picture engine included. Yeah, the color range is less broad than the IPS panel, and it's got a relatively low 350 nit peak brightness. You'll struggle to find a more glamorous looking mid-range 4K HDR TV in this price range. And of course, the most important thing, the buying determinant, is it's got RGB all round. The Ambilight, the RGB light, can be set to track the color content of the pictures you're watching. It can track the music you're listening to. It can even display a flag of the country of your choice. Well, performance-wise, Philips uses a direct LED lighting system, where the LED sits directly behind the screen rather than all around the edges. It's generally better, but I see some dark corners here. If you're a fan of HDR, the 7303's direct lighting and VA panels are hard to resist. And of course, the Philips P5 picture engine is included in all variants of the 7303. The P5 system is the most powerful picture processing system Philips have ever developed. And the P5 system is designed to focus on sharpness, the color, motion, and contrast. One last big difference between the 7303s and the 6703s is the motion handling. The P5 engine should be doing a significantly better job reducing judder and blur from action scenes without generating any distraction. Sure, this is an Android TV, it's got Chromecast built in and tons of other features. HDR10, hybrid log gamma, it's UHD, 4K, DLNA, built-in tuners, DVB-S, DVB-S2, DVB-T, T2, T2HD. It can read AVI, HEVC, MKV, MPEG, WMV. But the best thing about this TV is the remote. Hold on a second. Have you ever seen a remote like this before? It's a nice thing to have, When you're watching TV, you use this side, but when you're online playing games or using crazy apps, you're using this side. It's just a nice thing to have. Have you ever needed to update your remote? Have you ever needed to update the firmware on the remote? Well, you're gonna have to with this one. The first thing the TV asks you is please pair the remote. You just do it by pressing this pair button and, well, that's it. This LED just shines up and the device is paired to the TV. Unfortunately, there's no trackpad Displays here in the middle, it's not a trackpad. Come on, Philips, just do it. Other than that, it's a nice mid-range TV. It's got the aesthetics, it's got the performance. Okay, see you guys in the next one. Let me know how are you getting on with your TVs out there, alright? Peace.